Today I'm going to be installing JMS's PedalMAX throttle-by-wire enhancement device for our 2014 Ram with the 5.7 liter. The install itself is extremely easy, and I'll be giving it 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter, and expect it to take about 30 minutes to install. And with a price just under $300, it's not the cheapest mod for your truck, but it's definitely a fair price. It's going to totally change the way the truck drives, and I really enjoyed it when I had one in my car, and I think you will too. Let's open the hood so I can show you how to get this done. The tools used in this install is a ratchet, a 10mm socket, and the included flathead screwdriver. Our first step in installing the JMS PedalMAX is to connect the wire harness to the JMS itself. So we're going to spread a little bit of lubricant into the connectors, and then we're going to connect it to our wire harness. And then we're going to use the included screwdriver to tighten everything up. So now we can pop open our hood so we can disconnect the negative terminal so that our PedalMAX will be able to get the proper position sensor of our pedal. And now we're going to use our 10mm socket so we can loosen our negative terminal on our battery. With it loose, just pull up and out of the way. Now we're going to disconnect the pedal position sensor, which is located on top of the gas pedal, and then we're going to connect it to the wire harness of the JMS. For the second connector, you're going to go up above the pedal to the connector. So you're going to push it down on top of the connector. It's going to click, and then you're going to push the red tab down to secure. With the JMS now plugged into our pedal position sensor, we're now going to use the included zip ties to secure it to your truck. You're going to want to secure it to anywhere that's out of the way of any moving parts like the steering column or any of the actual pedals. Negative terminal onto battery. Now with the PedalMAX installed, it is set to 100% sensitivity, which may be a little too aggressive for you right from the beginning. So they do include a desensitizing plug that'll actually drop that down to 60%. So if you see here, we have our cable, and then if you want to, after you're done test driving, you just have to put your red plug until it clicks, and then now instead of 100%, we'll be at 60% sensitivity. So now everything's plugged in. You just have to hook up your negative terminal on your battery and the install is complete. And that's going to wrap up my install and review of the JMS PedalMAX Throttle Enhancement device. You can check this out and more at AmericanTrucks.com.